The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, CD player, MP3 player, power windows, bucket seats, power door locks, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.